Hi. Welcome back to Logic Roots. Today we will discuss how to make math storytelling effective. Let's get started. How to make storytelling effective through setting. If you don't know what setting is, go and watch our last video where we have explained all the components of storytelling in detail. The first way is to include an inciting incident. For example, if you show your character has a lot of money but still is always sad. This encourages your child to know more about the man. Next is to create a detailed setting. Try to incorporate the 5 senses: sight, hear, smell, taste, and touch into your story. This will help your child feel how the character must be feeling. Let's move on to see how to make storytelling effective through characters. The first important thing is to name your characters correctly. No one really gets excited by a character named James Thompson. Giving your characters a bit unique and crazy names make them memorable and your child happy. Give a great character arc. Show your characters in the state of happiness, sadness, worry, and more. Build a complete antagonist. An effective story must have a well thought about antagonist. It could be a person or a situation. Let's learn how to make storytelling effective through plot. The most important thing is to make a believable plot. What I mean is that if your protagonist is in a situation of conflict, he or she should come up with the solution and not depend on coincidences for resolution. Creating curiosity. Creating curiosity and suspense about characters make the listener want to know more. Next is to see how to make storytelling effective through conflict. Conflict can be created by giving the protagonist a set aim. The aim could be to never lie, or to always be polite, or to not stand with bullies. Another way to create conflict is by the antagonist, or negative character, or situation. Let's move on to know how to make storytelling effective through theme. The first way is by supporting scenes. If you want to show a happy character, show her happy in school. Show her happy at the playground. Show a swing in her step through words as well as show her happy while eating. The next way it can be done is by opposite characters. So my story can be about 2 birdies who wish to collect twigs to build their home. But their ways are different from each other's. Showing opposite characters in this way is very insightful for the listeners. Next is to see how to make storytelling effective through narrative. The first way is to use point of views. You can show the story through 2 or more point of views. The next is very simple. That is, to create a simple story. The entire story can revolve around one character and still give listeners everything. Yay! That's all. But before you go ahead and make stories, let me tell you some easy additional steps to make storytelling more effective. 1. The simpler, the better. 2nd, make eye contact with your child. 3rd, move around while narrating the story. 4th, use dramatic pauses in the story. 5th, make changes in voice while doing different characters. Last, make the story trustworthy. Thanks. Do let us know in the comments section below if you made some stories using these measures. Happy social learning.